Alrighty guys, what is up? It is Monday, alright? So, I could not find the tool that I needed. So, what we did was we put a pipe wrench on the harmonic balancer and it spins it over very, very easily. So, I'm really excited. I am taking the torque bolts out right now. It's already kind of late, but hopefully I can get these out. About to get stung by a bee. Jesus. But yeah, that'd be learned today. Look at this. 5 seconds of working on this damn thing. It is just covered. I can't wait to scrub this thing down, make it look nice and purty, get that turbo shined up and stuff. Yep. It's gonna make this thing great again. Got the first guy out. There he is. A little short one. Wasn't bad at all. Came out pretty smooth. It's the thing that holds all our bolts, the Bud Light box. And for anybody that was wondering how we figured it out, just went like this. Just put it in there and just spin it like not even a quarter turn at a time. I mean, it takes a little bit longer than that gear would, but not really. It doesn't take that long. It works. I know that. That's all that matters. I don't know how many torque bolts are in here, but this is number 3. Number 3. I'll let you know how many there is.
Not cutting shit.
Cut that beard off.
Pull it by the plug. Dude, that thing is solid as fuck.
They probably glued it in there or something because it kept falling out. Ready? Give you guys a training update. We got the both plugs out, all the torque converter bolts and bell housing bolts. I think now we're gonna
Drop her down.
pull her off the back of the block and drop her. Give you another update when it's out.
If he could fit his arm.
Oh yeah. Oh.
Oh my god.
Oh.
This one right here.
Oh yeah, at least you made it an easy one.
Holy shit.
You think this strap's gonna hold this train?
Huh?
Think the strap's gonna hold it? Guys!
The train is?
Yeah, it's separated.
That's awesome. That's literally what you want. Usually they don't separate.
Oh yeah, motor's definitely moving forward.
It's moving forward?
I don't know, we can more coolant. Looks like it is resting on that pan though. She's dropping. Dropping the back more on the front.
Really? Yeah. Try to pull it back.
Try to.
You're gonna pry bar and try to pull it back?
I guess. Now you can let it down. I'm just watching this. As you let it down, I'll see you put this over here.
Oh yeah. See if you can push that line through. Alright, try to pull it back a little bit more.
Yeah. It's away. Looked like it was.
For a second there.
We're gonna start leaning that way.
Why I want to lean this way. All the weight should be on your side.
I think it's just the way it's on there. I smell garlic bread. Smells good.
You look clear.
Oh, it's clear.
It's coming down.
You probably want to zippity zoo zap on it if you want.
Yeah, that's about
Yeah, it's when we use the ratchet first. It's out.
Done came out now. It didn't want to fall right towards me for some reason.
I told you it was leaning
That
that
was
way.
weird. And I even have this clip right here.
Oh, she wasn't strapped. I'd flip her over, drag her out.
Oh.
Oh, you better watch this. Yeah, see that. Back.
Yeah?
Oh, Jesus. Thing's like a whole school bus wheel.
Come to me, baby.
Oh, she's still full fluid.
Really?
Yeah.
But it didn't want to move.
Huh?
But it didn't want to move. Remember?
Oh, it's definitely got fluid in it.
So do you think the train's bad?
I doubt it. It probably wasn't enough.
Holy shit, guys. We just now finally got the tranny out after 2 weeks. Look at that torque converter.
Told you it's like a whole school bus wheel.
That's huge. Good call. Thanks.
What did you do? Put some royal purple in that thing?
The damn thing away.
What did you go there and ride it home?
Yeah. He was throwing it away, so I just freaking made it custom, bruh. Welded some pipes on it, did a pulley swap on it, and it made it faster. It's way faster.